In this video today, you will learn that how to receive payment through credit card from a website. For instance, we add detail of any dummy card and do a transaction of $59. The system will process this form when the user will click on pay and will show the message of its success or error. By this, you will be able to see this sale transaction on your dashboard. Welcome to another video of HutzTech. In my video today, I will tell you how to do implement of 2Checkout in your website through PHP. If you are selling any online product or series, then you can receive online payment easily. 2Checkout works as a merchant account. Its active clients are more than 1700 and it is working in more than 180 countries. That is why it is the most famous and a payment gateway. First of all, you have to sign up. I have already created its sandbox account. And if the account is not created, so ask in comments. As you will sign up, then you will see its different keys in API section. After this, here comes sample test data, which is to test payments. Beside this, account number is visible. It has some important points which are needed. Foremost is the account number, which you will get from here. After this is the publishable and private key that you will find right here. Then while implementing code, you will have to include its JS file. After that, here is the script of callback. Then add library of checkout. And at the end, we will have to enable sandbox mode. The complete documentation of 2Checkout is available. I will give its link also in description. Many developers do not understand documentation in the beginning, so that is why I will make you understand in detail today and will do implementation of complete payment of PHP code. It supports multi-language, so we will make in PHP. Firstly, it is told in documentation to generate token. After it, create sale, so its overview of code exists. We use it step by step. So first of all, we will have to make form of payment in which name and details of credit card should be there. You can make this form with the help of HTML and CSS. If you don't know how to make it, then you can see the link of my video related to this in description. It is the code of all HTML form. You will have complete form of code in documentation. Now, if you have a look upon the documentation again, then first of all, we have to generate token. Its basic code is also available. Now you have to make a hidden input type in form to generate the token and set its ID as token. After this, include JS file of 2Checkout. As I had told you to include it, you will get that also in documentation. Let's open detail link of create token. So here the link is present. Then it has asked for payment form which we have already made. After that, it has also given the list of important things such as ID and keys that I had told you. Then it has given script of JS. So I make you understand its working in detail. We have given any ID to the form we had made and we have added its action in one or more another PH file. Now, as you will press pay button, this code of JS will run and it will run the function of request token as it was in the documentation to generate token. So here the function of request token will execute. Here we will provide the complete information of our account. The foremost is seller ID, which I had told you that you will find here from sandbox. So you can copy from here and can paste your ID there. After that comes to the publishable key that you will get from your sandbox account. So you copy it also and paste in code. Then this code of JS is taking their values which the user has filled in credit card. It is getting that the input which the user had given in form. It is all being received here. Its card number, CVV, expiry month and year, etc. After this, it sends request to generate token. Now when the token is correctly generated, then it submitted the complete form along with the token. And you have to take care about a thing in all this is to enable sandbox. When you are testing, so you can enable the mode of production after testing. Now as the form will submit, it will go to the PHP process carrying the details of complete form. Now we will handle the request of user in processing.php and will show the message of success and decline. Now if we go into documentation and click on create sale, so you will find basic code sample here. Token has been taken here through post and it all values which the user had submitted. Then we have included the library of 2Checkout. You will get this link also. All these files are included in library. After this, private key has to apply according to your account, which you will find here in sandbox account. Let's copy it from here and paste there. Then the same seller ID we had given before. After that, keep enable the mode of sandbox. And after that, false verify SSL, because at this time I am working in localhost. SSL is necessary for online payments, so that is why it has been kept false, otherwise it will give error. After this, dummy ID has been given. You can do it dynamic also according to yourself. Then dummy address is given as its response will be approved. So you can set the message of success, and if there is any error, it has also been shown. In the last, message has been echo because it is only to make understand the integration of payment. So you can message or redirect according to your choice. Now let us have practical payment. So here sample testing data in sandbox is given. That is why we will use it. First of all, enter name on card. After this, add detail of this test card. Let's copy paste it. Then give expiry month and year, which it has provided in guideline. After that, add CVV. Now I am receiving $90 as demo, and it has been mentioned here in code. You can set its price dynamic. Now I will click on pay, so the message of success has been shown. Now you can see by going into the sandbox that data has been received in the tab of sales. Now I show you the change of amount. I put its amount here $59 and I also give the same value in form. Now I again submit the form with the same values again. So here is the message of success again. Now I refresh the page of sales, so the sale of $59 can also be seen. You can also see the detail of this sale. This complete data is appearing. In the end, let's enter wrong card details and see what message comes. Means that if the card is wrong or the amount is low, then which message comes. So it will make this transaction fail and will give its reason below. You can manage it according to your own. So you can change this complete code and its processing it accordance with your own website. This was our video for today, in which we implement payment gateway of 2Checkout through PHP. I hope that you got well. If you did not understand any of the points, then ask in comments. Goodbye.